You are going to love the 2022 Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look, plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.